Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths Tutor. Our question is, if January 1 is Monday, what day of the week is Valentine's Day? Here we have given January 1 is Monday, as there are 31 days in month January. After 7 days, 8 January comes. Okay? Like that, if we add 7s, like that, January 15, January 22, January 29, February 5, February 12 are Mondays. So, as 12 Feb is Monday, and we know that 14 Feb is always a Valentine's Day. So, February 5, February 2, 12 are Monday, as 14 Feb is always Valentine's Day. So, as Feb 12 is Monday, Feb 13 will be Tuesday, and Feb 14 is Wednesday. Hence, Valentine's Day is on Wednesday. So our correct option is option C.